Hey there. So today we are going to learn about LoRa module. So what is LoRa module? So LoRa stands for long range. So long and range. So long range module. So LoRa module will help two devices talk to each other over a very long distance without using internet or SIM card. Unlike GSM module and GPS module, we need not use any SIM card to communicate in the very long range. So think of it like a walkie-talkie, which is like a LoRa module, and Arduino will be our brain, or not only Arduino or any microcontroller which we'll be using. Example, the Arduino tells the LoRa module to send a message, and another LoRa module will be receiving it. So long range module. So let us break down the parts of this LoRa module. So here we have a golden spring. This golden spring is the antenna. It sends and receives the radio signals from one LoRa to another LoRa module. So think of it like mouth and ears of this module. And then we have a white colored chip here, which is LoRa chip. And we can say that relay 890 chip. And this silver box labeled here is the main LoRa chip. It controls the wireless communication of this module, and we can say that it is the brain of our module. So the black chip here, we are using two chips. It might be confusing, but it is not. So black square chip below this module is actually a controller chip, which will help the process of transferring the data. So with the help of this chip, we'll be able to transfer the data and receive the data. And if we zoom in a little, we can see there are pins here. So what are these pins? So these are VCC, ground, and receiving and transmitting pins, which is used to input and output the power supply, as well as the receiving and transmitting the messages. So this is how we will be using. And also we have a normal pins here, which can be worked as you know VCC, ground, and VDD. So here we have an extra pin, which is NRST, which is nearest. So we can connect the nearest LoRa module to this LoRa module in a series connection. So from the back side, it looks something like this. So now the question is, how does this LoRa module work? So Arduino or any other microcontroller will send a message to the LoRa module, and the antenna of this module will be broadcasting the message through the air. And the another LoRa module will receive the message from the same antenna and sends the second Arduino the message, and that Arduino will read and perform an action. So where exactly are we using this? We learned how this is used and how these components will be working. But now where exactly are this used is we can use it in smart farming, like send soil moisture data across the field, or we can use it in weather monitoring stations, or smart home communication, or water tank level monitoring. And we can use it in industrial sensor networks or farm automation, etc. So this might look like many things to be remembered at once, but it is not. So the easy way to remember is antenna here is used as a mouth or ears, like it can say and listen to other modules. So LoRa chip here is a brain, and the black chip here is a controller chip, which is a helper. So um, the receiving and transmitting pins and VCC ground are used like a friendly pins. It will communicate with other pins to get the signals and transmit the signals. So in short, we can say that a LoRa module is a wireless communication device that sends and receives data over long distance without using the internet or any SIM card. So this is what the LoRa module means. And now we have learned about LoRa module and its working and the principles and the uses of this module. So that's it for now. See you in the next video, Robot Builders.